Welcome to Werks. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please like, subscribe, and comment. Today's video shows me tiling the backsplash on our coffee bar in the kitchen. As you can see in this video, this is the first time I've tiled a backsplash. I've made repairs to tiles in the past, but those were very easy and fast jobs. Tiling is not a hard job, but it does require some time to do it correctly. This job took me 2 days from start to finish. 1 day to set the tile and let the adhesive cure, and 1 day to grout the tile. I did take my time and step back often to look for mistakes. I also watched a few videos on tiling and learned to clean as you go. It makes it a lot easier to clean up when the adhesive and grout are still wet and pliable. I clean the tools often, and every few tiles I wipe the tiles down when setting them with the adhesive and then grouting the tiles. I did use leave-in spacers, pre-mixed adhesive, and pre-mixed grout. The tools I used were a 1/4 inch square notch trowel, grout float, sponge, a putty knife, a tile cutter, and a diamond blade for my angle grinder. I didn't use a saw and just cut the tiles by hand with the angle grinder and a diamond blade, and only needed to trim about 10 tiles. I did wear a face shield and dust mask when cutting the tiles. Small chips and dust went everywhere. I back buttered the pieces of the tile and pressed them to the wall. I used the putty knife to clean up the adhesive and the grout as it squeezed out and got onto the face of the tiles. Thank you for watching Werks, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like the video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe for future videos, and comment. Thanks again.